Fix that annoying sound when you connect your mouse to your laptop or desktop. So here at the top right corner where we have the speaker icon, we'll click on that and then we will go to sound settings. And we need to scroll down and we will look for more sound settings. Once we click on that, we need to go to this sound tab and it works on Windows 10 and Windows 11 both. So here, once you're here, we need to scroll down and we need to select device connect. So whenever we connect any device, it plays a sound like this, right? So we need to click here and scroll to the up and we will select none. We will click on apply. And next time, whenever you will insert your mouse or whenever you will turn on the mouse or USB, it will not give you the sound. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.